Good morning, one and all. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning to one and all. So last time we were discussing regarding blood. We have discussed various topics in blood. General functions of blood, composition of blood, that all we have seen. Plasma proteins, functions and properties of plasma proteins, that also we have discussed. Then we were discussing red blood cells, normal count of red blood cells, size, shape of red blood cells, properties of red blood cells, all that we have discussed. Functions of red blood cells, that also we have seen. We were also discussing regarding hemoglobin. Okay, now we'll see the erythrocyte disorders, means disorders of red blood cells, disorders related with red blood cell. So one of the disorders related with red blood cell is hemolysis of red blood cell. That already we have discussed when we were discussing the properties of red blood cell. ठीक है, रेड ब्लड सेल्स की प्रॉपर्टीज जब हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे उसमें फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी हम लोगों ने वही डिस्कस की थी, हिमोलिसिस. व्हाट इज हिमोलिसिस, वो हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया है. ठीक है, when red blood cell is kept in hypertonic solution, then what happens? Red blood cells will swell, it will get enlarged, and red blood cell wall will rupture, liberating hemoglobin free. That is known as the hemolysis of red blood cell. So hemolysis is the one of the disorder related with red blood cell or hemoglobin. Now, what are the reasons behind the hemolysis of red blood cell? So one of that is due to osmosis, due to surface tension, physical factor also is there responsible for hemolysis of red blood cells, that is the freezing and thawing of the blood alternately will back up the red blood cells. Okay, various drugs like quinine, nitrite, phenacetin may produce the hemolysis of red blood cell. Now next is the reason for this disorder is blood transfusion incompatibility. That also we have seen that it is necessary to match the blood group of donor and recipient at the time of blood transfusion. So if the blood group of donor and recipient is not matching, so mismatching of blood at the time of blood transfusion is known as blood transfusion incompatibility. Okay, what is this blood transfusion incompatibility? Means mismatching of blood of donor and recipient. So this will lead to agglutination reaction, hemolysis of red blood cell, and it will result in death of recipient. Okay, so that is also a disorder